In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install cheat menu mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition. Check my video description for these two mod download link. Once download done, double click on this setup exe and check the yes option. Say accept and check next. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition and select OK and select next option and select next install. Once this installation done, select finish option. Now right click on the cheat menu and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open game face, binaries, Win64, Clio. Open this version folder and drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination. And now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the F1 key to open up this cheat menu. And you can increase the wanted level, infinite ammo, infinite health. Go to car spawner and sport. You can choose the car you want to spawn. And then to close this menu, press the F1 key. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.